Hello there! In this tutorial, you'll be learning how to apply Boolean properties to your buttons for whatever design you want to do. Let us go! Hey, so the first thing we need to do is to click on our T shortcut for text and then type in our text. Let's use place bid, and now let's give it an auto layout using the shortcut Shift A. Put in some padding of 16 by 24 and give it a feel of black. Now we need some icons. Let's put in an icon, probably a money icon here. Reduce the size by 16 by 16. Give it a purple color or any color you would like to give it. Okay, so now let's duplicate the icon and put it on the other side of the place bid. Let's rename this as button. Create a component for this button by hitting Ctrl Alt K or right clicking on your mouse and creating component. Now, in order to create the Boolean properties for this button, let us hit our first left icon and then rename it using this icon over here, creating Boolean property, and then let's rename this to left icon. Now select your right icon too and click on this icon here on your layer panel and apply another Boolean property, and this time we're renaming it as right icon. Let's not forget our text too. So select your text and also apply Boolean property with the layer panel here, create a property, and let's rename it as show text. Oh, and it doesn't stop there. Select your text again, and so that it will be easier for us to rename this button wherever we're using it in our designs, let us come here and click on this same create text property icon, the Boolean property, and give it button name. Let's give this a border radius of probably like 24. And here we go. Our button is usable across any design we want to do. Let's say, for example, we want to use this button in a design. I'm going to copy this and paste it here. Let's expand this button. So we can see our properties here. Left icon, we can decide to toggle it off and we'll see that our left icon is no longer there, or we can decide to toggle our right icon off and leave our left icon on. We can decide to rename our button to buy NFT. We can do anything we want to do with our button. We can decide that we don't even want any icon to show. We can decide that we just want an icon to show and our text to disappear, and it will just be an icon anyhow we want it to be. And this doesn't stop us from editing the padding of the button, so this makes it very easy for us to use. I hope you enjoyed and benefited from this little tutorial. Have a good one. Toodles!